Your playlist right. Champion.
And you, and you're more than I miss you. Oh yes I do. Oh yes I do, baby. I miss you. Oh girl, you wanna sing the bridge every night. To the bridge and go. Loneliness and silence. No, could I get myself to sleep? No. Do you ever wake up reaching out for me? Do I ever cross your mind anytime? I miss you. Oh yes I do. Oh yes I do, baby. Do I ever? Do I ever? Do I ever? Do I ever? Kings, you ever cross your mind? Do I ever? Do I ever? Do I ever? Do I ever cross your mind? Yeah. My pack needs a battery, so I gotta wait 1 second now. Oh, Can't believe we lost it on my very second song. I can't believe. Yeah, let's go. It is a great honor. I think I must be dreaming that you are here with me. I must have died and gone to heaven, and it's all I hoped it would be when the eagles forget how to fly, and it's when winds you fly, and when violets turn red and roses turn blue, I'll be still in love with you. I live to be around you. You take my breath away. Can't help but talk about you every night and day. Oh, when the eagles forget how to fly, and it's when July, and when violets turn red and roses turn blue, I'll be still in love with you. With you. Still in love with All right, we're going to take you all the way back to the very beginning. The year was 1992. The 90s, the greatest decade of music ever created in the history of mankind. My very first single off my very first album, Brian McKnight. The song that got me my very first record deal. So we're going to take it back right now to 92, baby. 92, baby. 92. remember how you used to wait by the phone, counting every minute that I was gone. And you used to call me sweet things in the morning, till you would love me so tender each and every night. Lately you've got so much to do, and you're never at all. By the time I get to see you, you need your time alone. I've been too afraid to ask you, but I need to know, is this the way I'm going? Say it isn't, so is this the way I'm going? Oh, is this the way I'm going? My eyes before my eyes, we're in the sky. I need to know, is this the way love goes? Yeah! Now everybody move this way, and now that way, and now this way, and now that way, and now this way, and that way. No, 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 oh, baby. I was alone. Place I want to be is right here with you. Love me, love me, yeah. You make me jump on me as long as you let me. Hang around. I'm gonna keep myself together till I find myself, till I find myself in you. Before they take you back together, wanna find myself in you. Till I find myself in you. Till I find myself in you. Till I find myself in you.
Like rain.
10 million stars.
Good night to me nice.
10 million stars. 10 million. You know, I always thought that my dream was to write the music, and then to play the music, produce the music, release the music, and then go sing that music all over the world. And I've gotten to live that dream because of folks just like you all over the world who've enjoyed the music that I've created over these years. But I'm very fortunate because I've been able to live another dream. You see, what you may not know is that the man who wrote songs like Anytime, and The Only One for Me, and Back at One, and One Last Cry, the man who wrote those songs, he didn't believe in love, at least not the way that it's portrayed in the movies and in other songs. See, I didn't believe that love existed that way. But a little over a decade ago, I met a young lady. I met the young lady. She changed the way I walk. She changed the way I talk, the way I write, the way I sing, the way I move, the way I walk, the way I everything. And now the man that you standing before you is finally a good man. Because I could only be this good man for that good woman. Because Mrs. McKnight, you are truly my everything. Beautiful eyes, beautiful face, beautiful sky on a beautiful day, beautiful arms, beautiful legs. Tell me. You're my everything, my everything. You're my everything. You're my everything, 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 everything. Well, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know that back in 22, I took off 6 months for paternity leave. That's right. I turned 56 a couple of weeks ago. And I got a little 2.5-year-old son at home. It's the greatest thing in the world. Junior is the light of our lives. He was already singing in perfect pitch. I'm not going to say my son's a genius, but my son's a genius. And back in 2020, I said I wasn't going to release another record, but the minute he came out, I wrote an entire album of lullabies called McKnight Time Lullabies. See what I did there, McKnight Time Lullabies. And I wrote this song for him, and I want to share it with you now. This is my legacy. We had this dream. This was God's plan. The greatest gift of love between a woman and her man. My bouncing bundle of pure joy, too perfect for mere words to describe. This staring back at me with my own eyes. You are my world. You are my voice. Let all heaven and earth rejoice. my namesake, my joy, my baby boy, my legacy. My legacy. Now, as you can see, things are going really great in the McKnight household. But there may be somebody who came out this evening who may be dealing with something. Maybe somebody dealing with a broken heart out there. And I don't want you to think that just because everything's going so great for me that Brian has forgotten about you. So I got this one sad song for you tonight. One sad song to remind that Brian has always been there, will always be there for you, will never forsake you. Because you know all you got to do. You know, the last 30 years, the only time, every time you've been going through it, the only person who has consistently been there for you has been me. Because you know all you got to do, Jamaica, all you got to do is say, Alexa, play Brian McKnight. And Brian McKnight will appear. So I got this one sad song for you tonight. You ain't got to raise your hand. We done already seen you up here. To remind you that Brian will never forsake you. Here we go. Do you ever think about me? Do you ever cry yourself to sleep? In the middle of the night when you awake, are you calling out for me? Do you ever reminisce? I can't believe I'm acting like this. I know it's crazy how I still can feel your kiss. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Anybody know what I'm talking about? Since you went away, I miss you so much, and I don't know what to say. What to say? I should be over you. Should know better, but it's just not the case, not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Do you ever ask about me? Do your friends still tell you what to do? Every time the phone rings, do you wish it was me calling you? Do you still feel the same? Or as time put out the flame, I miss you. Is everything okay? It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. Since you went away. Since you went away. I miss you so much, and I don't know what to say. I should be over you. Should know better, but it's just not the case. It's been 6 months, 8 days, 12 hours since you went away. It's hard enough just passing the time. but I know how we can get it right back. Anybody else want to fall deeper in love tonight? I know I do. I know I will. If you want to fall with me right now, come on, come on, come on and bounce with me. If you feel it, come on and bounce with me. Hey, hey, come on and bounce with me. Bounce, 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 bounce. I see it clearly, even if I was blind. You got me nearly going out of my mind. Things that you whisper, soft in my ear, words I've been wanting so long to hear. I know it feels real, but I know how I feel it. So amazing, so crazy. I can't shake you now. You got my back against the wall. It's like I'm standing 10 feet tall on the ledge you're supposed to go. If you push, I might fall. Might fall. Might fall. Might fall. Side to side. Each and every moment without you is a moment. Thinking about you when I know nothing will ever be the same. When it lies, find you just wanna stay beside you. I won't let it slip away. If you got my back against the wall, you're like I'm standing 10 feet tall on the ledge supposed to call. If you push, I took my Hear the heavens open every time she smiles. When I come to her, that's where I belong. And I run to her like a river storm. Come on, sing and she give me love, 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 crazy love. Give me love, 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 crazy love. Take it to the bridge. Yes, I need her in the daytime love. And I need her in the night love. And I want to the the kiss and love, kissing the mother tide. And come on and play the song love. That's Dom on guitar, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so far away. Ooh.